Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 3 chess puzzle. This one was created by W. Shinkman in 1876. See, the black has the king, 6 pawns. Only the g-pawn is capable of moving. White has the king, 3 pawns, pair of bishops, and the queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 3? Moving the queen to g5 only gets you a checkmate in 4. Black is forced to move their g-pawn. You can then move the queen to e5. Black is again forced to push their pawn. You can then play a waiting move with the bishop. Black's forced to push the pawn again, and then you can move the queen in to g3 to checkmate in 4, but not 3. You can checkmate in 4 by just moving the queen by starting to f8. If the black pawn takes your pawn, you can then move to c5, and then e5, and then as the h-pawn advances, you can move the queen to g3 to checkmate in 4, but not 3. There's quite a neat checkmate in 4 by moving the bishop to h3. You can actually let the black pawn promote and just slowly move your queen in. And then as black promotes to, say, a queen, you can then just take the queen to checkmate in 4. And again, it's not a mate in 3. You've also got to watch out for a potential stalemate situation. So if you move the bishop and black advances the g-pawn, if you were to take that with the queen, then obviously the black king and none of its pawns can move, so it's a stalemate. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 3 for white, you need to move the bishop to d4. If black takes the bishop with their pawn, you can then move the queen to f4. Then black needs to move their g-pawn. You can then move the queen to g3 to checkmate in 3. If black doesn't take the bishop and they push the g-pawn, you can then move the queen to d6. And because the black king can't move, they are then forced to take the bishop, and then you can move the queen in to g3 to checkmate in 3. If black takes the pawn with their pawn, you can then move the queen to e3, and then when black pushes the pawn because they can't move the king, you can then move the queen to g1 to checkmate in 3. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.